Hi everyone, Deb with Dahlia Designs here. I am here sharing another free kit that was sent to me by Softlex Company. I'm not on a design team or anything, but they are sending me promotional kits, and I guess I need to do better about making things with them and sharing them because I do like their products, especially their beading wire. And I have had fun using these in the past. I just still have pieces out of so many that I need to use. So I stopped ordering them. However, if I ever get around to using those up, I will certainly consider resubscribing, and you should too, because they put together a really nice kit. Their kits are a mystery kit. So, for example, this one they will be sharing on Wednesday, January 29th. They usually do Wednesdays. And do they have a time on here? I think usually 3 p.m. Pacific. Don't hold me to that because they have a confusing date on this thing they sent me. But I'm going to share this with you after the 29th, so it doesn't matter. I'll post it on the 30th, and then hopefully I will come back within the next week with some pieces that I've made with this kit. Now, the thing is, this kit has actually been available for purchase since the last kit aired, which would have been at the end of December, like the 26th, I think. They usually do Wednesdays, but I believe in December they did the day after Christmas Day, so that would have been the 26th, and that's why the date was confusing. It's still on this paper. Anyway, and then um, they give us, you purchase it, it's a mystery, and they ask that you not share it on social media, um, anything you've made with it even, until after they air it, excuse me, on the following month's reveal kit. So since they're revealing this on the 29th of January, I'm assuming it has to do with Valentine's. It's called Star-Crossed Lover, so I'm assuming. Anyway, and then they also make their next kit available. So if this one happens to be sold out by the time you see this and you are interested in it, I'm sorry, but their next kit should be available for purchase as of January 29th, and it will be called Double Rainbow. And that's all I know about it. So you'd have to go check it out. Sometimes if they have an additional bead strand for sale, separate from the kit, you can kind of get a glimpse of the colorways and everything. So yeah. So this says deep velvety red, like a maroon or burgundy, I guess more burgundy. Maybe gold and black. Love the tissue. I'll definitely reuse that. I reuse everything, just so you know. The tissue and the ribbon will be reused in my paper crafting channel, Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage, in case you didn't know that. Okay, so let me uncrinkle this and get things out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we always get in the kits a little paper that tells us the contents of it. Um, and it does say items available on Softlex Company launching January 29th. That would be these things, and then these are items gathered just for this kit that may or may not be available, probably not, on the website. So the first thing is, I haven't gotten this in a kit before. Pro Econoflex 49 strand 0.019, but it's economy beading wire, stainless steel nylon coated. So the coating is probably different on this, but I have used this in the silver, and even though it's 49 strand, it does not feel as thick as their non-Econoflex, but that's okay. Sometimes you don't need it to be that thick, and maybe there's something in here with small holes that need the little bit thinner. It's still 49 strand. It just doesn't have as much coating as their normal beading wire. So yeah, and it's called Pro Econoflex. Cool. I'm not sure I've seen that in the gold. Anyway, it has 15 feet on it, so wow, awesome. And then soft flex 2 by 2 sterling. Okay, so we're getting into the findings. They always send some findings, and you basically have what you need to make several pieces of jewelry, except for your tools. You would need your beading tools, like um, your chain nose or flat nose, pliers or both, your cutters, something to cut the beading wire, which you might not want to use your good cutters for wire. Earring findings, there's generally some of those. Sometimes there's head pins, there's clasps, and we have an S hook here. We have a two-strand end pieces, so you can make a double strand something, bracelet probably, or necklace, and then attach a clasp on the end of it. There's also a lobster claw in hematite. So we have some hematite and some brass. So we have couple different colors here. Okay, and then yeah, gunmetal plated ear wires with the ball. There's 2 pair, 4 of them. Gunmetal plated lobster clasp. Yep. Jesse James custom bead mix, which we'll get to in a minute. And they do sometimes have this available separate from the kit, because the kits sometimes sell out, but they sometimes have extras of these. Okay, 3 by 5 millimeter check glass 1/2 hematite pinch beads. That is these. These are called pinch beads, and I don't know. They look like puffed ovals that somebody took their fingers and pinched them. That's why they're called pinch beads. And they're in like black with silver or gray. I guess silver. Black and silver, or maybe hematite. They'll go nice with the hematite. I like those. And then teeny tiny ceramic gold bead crowns. Huh. Oh, that would be these, I guess. No, these are crimp beads. Teeny tiny gold bead crowns. Oh, ceramic. I'm looking at teeny tiny ceramic gold crown beads. Oh, that's these. I'm sorry. Duh. They're very lightweight. And they are a crown. See the bottoms there? That's different. I haven't seen those before. Huh. They almost feel like polymer clay. They're very light. It says they're ceramic though. They do purchase things like Peruvian ceramic. And we have some little hearts, small Peruvian ceramic red heart beads, and they definitely feel ceramic. I can see the white in them. And you can tell that they're um, I think they're handmade. I'm not positive about that. Anyway, you can tell they're ceramic because of the white inside. Looks like some variation in the shades of red, which is okay. And then these aren't mentioned on here. Anyway, and then down below, and also they usually give you crimp tubes. Their crimp tubes are like the best, best, best. And they're 2 by 2 millimeter, and these are in like a gunmetal or oxidized silver is what I believe they are. I love their crimp tubes. And then down below, check glass black, large hole and clear. Fire, okay, clear in the inside, I guess. Fire polish beads. That has to be these, right? Yeah. And 9 by 13 millimeter antique brass plated multi-strand connector, and 13 by 8 millimeter antique brass plated nope, antique brass plated S hook and ring. Yes. Natural brass artisan stars. Cool. I think those could even be if you did stuff like this. I used to. It's too cold on my patio to do it right now. What am I trying to think of? Oh, I have a bracelet. It's I'll come back to you with that. All right, so we'll put this here. And then ceramic beads with stars, mixed colors and shapes. And that is these. So I have an oval tube and a round, like a rondelle. These are cool. I like these. And then I have two purple stars and two reddish pink, um, or pinkish red, I guess more, ceramic tubes. Those would be cute for earrings. And this might be a nice focal piece on a necklace or something. So really cool. I don't see these mentioned. They threw in some extra little check glass beads, it looks like. Yeah, just a few extra little red, tiny little faceted. I can't tell if they're oval or round. Let's see. They look like little ovals, little tiny faceted round, and they look like check glass to me. But I could be wrong because I don't see them on here. I could be missing them. All right, so I'm going to come back. I'm going to lay out the Jesse James beads part, and I'll come back and share that with you too. Let me move this stuff around. See you in a minute. Okay, everyone, here is the contents of the design elements called Star-Crossed Lovers, which comes from Jesse James Beads, and they have a customized mix that is part of the kit each month at Softflex Company. So it comes with it as well as everything else you've seen already, different findings and things each month, and it's all a surprise. Um, so we have, I'll go in order. These feel like acrylic or plastic, and they remind me of like the court jesters. And I think that's perfect to go with a antique brass bead cap that they sent. So two of them on there anyway. So there's four of those. They're different. I don't believe I've ever gotten those before. They almost remind me of the Klimt, I think it is, the style. And then these are flat on the back, which is nice, and a hole drilled through the side. These are also acrylic or plastic. I don't know the difference really. And they are shiny red roses, nice for a focal point. I have an idea for that. And also 8 little rose flat spacer beads. The hole goes through the side. So they will lay like that. Okay. And there's 8 of those. I already just showed you there's 2 of these bead caps that are like crowns. And remember, Softflex gave us ceramic crowns as well. And then we have some spacer beads. I thought these were bead caps at first. These are metal. They have some weight. And they have dimension like that. And that's what they look like flat. Sorry, my camera doesn't want to focus much. Oh, come on. Does better down below. Anyway, you can see them there. And then these intrigued me a little bit. They are bead caps, but they're only 3-sided loops, and then they have little dots, almost like little grape bunches or something in between. They're really cute. I like those. And they're not super dimensional. I'll try and hold it up sideways so you can see that. And then for the beads, we got 4 hearts. Now these, I believe, are probably glass, coated glass, or possibly coated plastic, but they felt like they had a little weight. I'm not sure. They're cold. I think they're glass. I'm sorry. So that's those. And then we have some tube beads. And we have them in, and they're faceted in 2 different shades. I got 6 in this more lighter red, transparent, translucent color, and 4 in this darker red, also translucent, but they're definitely darker. Okay. which is nice because they'll go, we've got bright red hearts up here and darker red beads and things like that. And then two of these hearts, which are faceted and beautiful, and they're faceted on both sides. They're like puff hearts drilled in the top to bottom. Very pretty. That one looks more milky on the one side. Yeah, both sides have a little milky side, and then that one's more milky over there for sure. And then more, they're both opaque, is what I'm trying to say, but they have a little milky look to them. Okay. Now we have some black tubes. They'll go good with these. So yeah, they're nice. I think they're glass. They're cold to the touch also. And some white squares, cubes. So these are round tubes, and they do have a little faceting to them, the black ones. And these are, I believe, a 6mm faceted cube. I actually love cube beads. And then we have some opaque red faceted rounds. I don't know if I think they're 8mm, but I could be wrong. And then we have some translucent, a little round, round faceted, transparent, translucent. And they look like a mix too. A couple of them are a little darker, like this one, and this one are a tiny bit darker, and the other ones are more of a brighter red. But they go together well. And that is the Jesse James bead mix part of this kit with star-crossed lovers. And check out their Econoflex, Pro Econoflex. It is less expensive last I saw. I haven't checked recently than their normal beading wire is. So yeah, check that out. And these are pretty cool. And actually, did I see these on here? Yes, check glass black, large hole, and clear fire polish beads. So the clear fire polish are the little ones in between, and these are larger hole beads. And it's good to have the fire polish in there because the holes are larger in those beads. Okay, so that's it. I will come back hopefully in the next, it'll be in the next week. I can't promise the next couple days because I just have other stuff going on and I wasn't expecting this. So sorry, Softflex, I will do something, and I still have the other kit, and I will do something with that as well. I'm going to put that on my agenda for next week for sure. Take care, everyone. Hugs, love, and peace, and I hope you'll come back again soon. And be sure to go check out Softflex. They are a small business trying to make it in this crazy world. They're in Sonoma, California, and they do live streams to unload up to do the kits unveiling, and they make something usually on the spot when they reveal the kit. So be sure to check that out. That always amazes me because I'm not good with on the spot makes. I have a couple ideas. I probably could make something simple, but not as complex as some of the things they do. Anyway, it takes me, I have to mull it over and play around with everything. And so yeah, and then the next one will be Double Rainbow. So if you're interested in that kit, be sure to check out their website on the 29th or after. It says it'll be available for purchase online on the 29th. I'm curious to see what that one is like. So yeah, take care everyone. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.